Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Grammar Lesson 5, Part 3 of the Practical Russian course for beginning and intermediate students. In this lesson you will learn about prepositions in the genitive case. Remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. In this lesson we cover the prepositions in the genitive case. See Grammar Lessons 5, Parts 1 and 2 in the info card above for the genitive case absence or non-existence and attribution or possession.
У чемодана бирка,
The suitcase has a tag.
у Антона чемодан,
Anton has a suitcase. Here the preposition u has the meaning of attribution or possession.
около стола стул,
Near the table is a chair.
у стола стул,
Here the preposition u has the meaning of position and can also be translated as near. The genitive case mainly indicates subjective, objective or definite meanings. Forms with the preposition indicate more specific details of events.
у, от, до, для, с, из, из-за, без, из-под, около, возле, после, вокруг, вместо, кроме, накануне, среди, внутри.
Are prepositions after which a noun should take the genitive case as they indicate more specific details of events. Compare questions for the genitive case and the prepositional case. In the first column, where
Где,
is used in reference to specific details of locations and needs specific prepositions such as
внутри. Внутри яблока червь.
inside the apple is a worm. In the second column, where
Где,
is used in reference to location but not so specific.
в яблоке червь.
There is a worm in the apple. Here are some more examples.
Дом у дороги.
The house is by the road.
Вокруг дома трава.
The grass is surrounding the house.
Вокруг
Is a compound of the noun
круг.
which means circle and the prefix
Во.
which means around.
Около дома трава.
The grass is near the house. Or
Возле дома трава.
the grass is near the house.
Внутри дома было темно.
It was dark inside the house.
Где было темно?
Where was it dark?
Внутри дома.
Inside the house.
Свет из окна.
The light is from the window.
Откуда свет?
Where is the light coming from?
Из окна.
From the window.
С горы ехал лыжник.
The skier was skiing down the mountain. Note that the verb
Ехал
is in the past tense and is an imperfective, unprefixed verb of motion, which indicates that the action was continuous and was not completed.
Из-под куста выбежал заяц.
A hare had run out from under a bush. Note that the verb
Выбежал
is in the past tense and is a perfective prefixed verb of motion, which indicates that the action was completed. See Grammar Lesson 6 in the info card above for verbs of motion. Here are prepositions which indicate more specific details of time and answers the question
когда,
when,
среди дня,
during the day,
накануне даты,
before the date,
после праздника,
after the celebration,
с утра,
since the morning,
до утра.
until the morning. Here are prepositions which indicate more specific details of reasons and answers the questions
Почему?
why,
От мороза,
from the frost,
с горя,
from grief,
на радости, с радости.
with joy,
Из интереса,
from or due to interest,
из-за ошибки,
due to a mistake. Here are prepositions which indicate more specific details of goals or conditions and answers the question
как,
how,
зачем,
why,
без желания,
without desire,
для дела,
for business,
вместо брата,
instead of my brother.
Мой брат из Москвы.
My brother is from Moscow.
Откуда?
From where?
Из Москвы.
From Moscow.
Сувенир для тети.
The souvenir is for my aunt.
Для кого?
For whom?
Для тети.
For my aunt.
Письмо от сестры.
The letter is from my sister.
От кого?
From whom?
От сестры.
From my sister.
Билет до Лондона.
Ticket to London.
Куда?
To where?
До Лондона.
To London.
Ждать до среды.
Wait until Wednesday.
До чего?
Until when?
До среды.
Until Wednesday.
С зимы до весны.
From winter to spring.
С чего? До чего?
From when to when.
С чего?
From when.
С зимы.
From winter.
До чего?
To when?
До весны.
To spring. Pronouns in the genitive case.
У меня есть сувенир для вас.
I have a souvenir for you.
От нее есть письмо для меня.
Is there a letter from her for me?
До них далеко, а до нас близко.
They are far away, but close to us. In this lesson, you have learned about prepositions in the genitive case. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. Please subscribe and like this video.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning and intermediate students.